When exporting to PDF, it's always best to double check that you have your page set up correctly. So go to Layout, Page Setup, click on your margins, check that these are set up to be mirrored and that you have slightly more room on your inside margin. Next, on paper, make sure that your page size is correct for your order. Next, there are some settings in Word we want to make sure are set up correctly. Navigate to File and then Options. This will bring up your Word options. Go to Display, and then here we want to make sure that we've ticked Print Background Colors and Images. This will make sure that any colored backgrounds will save too. Remember, if you have images or colors that go to the edge, you need to make sure you've set up your file to have bleed. Click on the Save button. Make sure that the Embed Fonts in File option is ticked and these other two options are not ticked. Embedding fonts ensures that text prints as designed, preventing substitutions and layout errors. To make sure that images retain their quality, click on the Advanced tab. Navigate to Image Size and Quality. Want to make sure that we do not compress the images in the files, so ensure that this option is ticked. And then the default resolution, we want it to be high fidelity. That means that it's not compressed and that it's the best quality it can be. Scroll down and also make sure that Use Draft Quality isn't ticked. Then press OK. Navigate to the File option and then press Save as Copy or Save As. This will bring up your saving options. Navigate to where you want to save the file. Then we want to make sure that we've selected the Save As type, PDF. This will bring up some other options. Make sure that the standard option is selected to include online and printing. Also, open file after publishing so you can check the file. Click on Options, ensure that all the pages will be printed, your document is to be printed. Make sure that these two options are selected and the PDFA compliant is not. Once you're ready, you can then click Save. You should then have a PDF document open, and that's how you save a Word file as a PDF.